guys, welcome back to my channel. Since I'm cleaning my whole kitchen today, I'm going to definitely tackle my fridge more than any other appliance or area in the kitchen. So since my fridge is pretty empty, I mean, we had a birthday party for my 2-year-old, so I can condense some of this stuff, but really I could pull most of this out, clean it. I mean, the drawers are empty. The freezer is nearly empty as well. So I want to clean it before I do May's huge grocery haul. So May's grocery haul will be different than all the other ones because I'm going to be getting extra groceries to start a stockpile in my basement. I have a huge wire shelf and I can put food on it. It literally has nothing on it right now but empty storage bins. So let's get started.
Hey guys, if you are new here, I am a military spouse, mom of 3. I homeschool them and I make really amateur YouTube videos, and I'm doing a deep clean of my fridge today. Hopefully that gives you some motivation to tackle something in your kitchen that you've been wanting to tackle. You know, for instance, I'm going to clean behind my microwave and under it, and I don't do that very often, so, you know, don't tell anyone. But anyways, so I hope you guys enjoy this video, and be sure to look out for my May grocery haul video. That will just be an insane amount of food. I already put my grocery order in. I'm going to pick it up today, so watch out for it. Also, everyone needs one of these plastic things inside their microwave to cover the food they heat up. It keeps it so clean inside, I swear. So I usually don't do anything in these cabinets when I'm doing my weekly kitchen cleaning, but I thought I have lived in this house a year. I should probably do that. So I'm taking everything out, doing just like a quick wipe down and just putting the food right back. And we live in a house that is 900 square feet. It is very small. It's a 3-bedroom, 1 bath. Luckily, there's a basement, so we can put like Christmas decorations, the washer, dryer, everything's in the basement like that. But food-wise, this kitchen just has these top cabinets right here, and then the bottom cabinets, which are almost exactly the same size. That is all the space I have to put my food. So we hung some shelves. You can kind of see the shelf on the left holding these bagels. I have 2 shelves to hold food over there, and a small deep freezer in the basement for frozen stuff. But other than that, these 2 cabinets is really what we're working with. So once a month, I will go to the grocery store and get all the food we need for the whole month, except for produce. Obviously can't survive the whole month, so I'll go in the middle of the month to get more produce. But I just have these 2 cabinets to put it all in, so I have to get real creative. It's kind of like food Tetris. I just have to figure out where it can go and make it work. And then the stove, I'm just doing a light cleanup. I'm not cleaning those black things. I'm just cleaning the huge pieces of food, and that's about it. Like, it's clean enough because I'm about to cook a bunch of chicken on 2 of the burners, and then I'm making rice on another burner, and then I'm making quesadillas for lunch, so that's gonna make a mess. And I'm just, you know, getting it clean enough. I mean, you see the orange in the top corners of the like top burners? That is rust, because when I clean the black things, I guess I don't let them dry, or I don't know what I'm doing wrong, obviously something, but then this orange appears in the corners and it's really hard to get off, and I just don't care at this point, because I will care when we're about to move out of this rental. But for now, I'm just cleaning the stove so it's clean enough. I'm really just like conserving my energy for the refrigerator. I'm not using any cleaning products in the freezer or refrigerator. I'm just getting my towel wet and then just like using my muscles because they're so big. Just kidding. Anyway, so I'm just using my muscles to like scrape or scrub the dirt or food or whatever it is off. So I don't think you're supposed to put clean, like all-purpose cleaner in the refrigerator. I was just thinking about it and I was like, that's probably not a good idea. So just a rag and water will do. When I was cleaning the refrigerator, I thought it was a good idea to start at the bottom, but now after I started cleaning, I was like, I should have started at the top and worked my way down. Who did this? Who did this? So I cleaned the fridge backwards, which means I spent way more time cleaning than I needed to because I had to clean again and again because everything kept falling all the way onto the bottom. And just like with these cupcakes, it's like, oh, I'll just set them in there. And it's like, no, that's gonna make a mess. So then I have a bright idea. I'll put them on a plate. So what I'm thinking is I'll make these hard-boiled eggs right now, and then my husband can have them for breakfast, or the kids can have them as a snack. This cheese, I think it's not good anymore. Like, I don't know what that is. But, you know, it's not supposed to look like that. So I guess it's trash. And then this is leftover mac and cheese I can heat up for lunch and make quesadillas to get rid of this cheese. So pretty much all that's going to be left in there is the cupcakes, pizza, and like the milk, I guess. So I'm gonna stop cleaning real quick and make the kids lunch and then come back to finish the refrigerator door. So right before I was gonna start cleaning again, we got a package in the mail. I ordered new dish soap for the kitchen. So if you guys saw, I had an allergy test done a couple weeks ago, and I'm pretty much allergic to all the cleaning products, all the personal care products in the bathroom. So I had to check the ingredients on everything, and so here we are with new dish soap. Hopefully it works out well. So oh no. Oh no, that's not a good sign. Okay, it's wet, but you know, it's still full. It's called Puracy. I'm gonna clean this off, and it's lemongrass scented. And then I'm assuming this was not leaking. And then I got a big refill of it. I'm going to go back to the refrigerator, clean the door, and then come back and get these dishes dealt with. Because here we are, we have a mess. Here are the eggs. Put this away. We're still doing some lunch over here, some snack, and then, you know, like my stove's already dirty.
You and I, we never show emotions, we just keep it down inside. Yeah, you and I, both longing for expression for the things we like, but we stay quiet. Hold me now, tell me things, tell me all about how you feel. Just let yourself go. Say it loud, wake the world on the other side, make it real. Just let yourself go, just let go. Ooh, just let go. Oh yeah, just let go. Ooh, just let
little feedback on that dish soap. It smelled good. It smells like lemon, because that's what it said it would smell like. And it did work, I think, just as good as Dawn. I've used other natural dish soaps, and I either have to use a lot more product to get my dishes clean, or I have to use a lot more elbow grease, and my arms are tired from scrubbing so hard, and it's not worth it at all. But I did like this dish soaps. The last thing I need to do right now is clean that shelf that I pulled that covers the top of those 2 drawers, and then clean the refrigerator door, and I'm calling it a day.
Just you and me. Hold me now, tell me things, tell me all about how you feel. Just let yourself go. Say it loud, wake the world on the other side, make it real. Just let yourself go. Just let 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 yourself go. Let yourself. Me and you, we're holding back each other in the things we do. It's all so blue. Yeah, what if we could grow just like the flowers through the concrete? Just you and me. Just let go. Just let go. Just let go. Just let go. Just let yourself go. 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 Just let yourself go. Let yourself go.
And finally, the last thing I'm gonna do is just do these 2 dishes to get them out of the way so I can wash that giant shelf thing. I am scared. So the glass is stuck in here because some tomato sauce had fallen down there at some point in time, and now I have to try to get it unstuck without breaking the glass.
And just like that, guys, I am done with the fridge. I give up on it. I know I could probably do more, like clean the sides and the top and under it, but I need a break. So I'm gonna go do some laundry. I will just see you guys next time. Bye.